Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Etsy ads reporting with Etsy ads easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, log in to your Etsy account. Navigate to the Etsy ads dashboard. Locate the campaigns tab on the left sidebar. Click on campaigns to view your active and past ad campaigns. Select the specific campaign you want to verify. You will see the overview of the selected campaign. Review the key metrics displayed, such as clicks, impressions, and orders. Next, navigate to the stats section within the campaign overview. Here, you can find more detailed performance data. Scroll down to analyze metrics like cost per click and return on investment. To verify your reporting, cross-check these metrics with your shop statistics. Open a new tab and go to your shop dashboard. Select the stats section from the main menu of your shop. Compare the total traffic from your Etsy ads with the traffic on this shop stats page. Make note of any discrepancies between the two sets of data. If there are differences, consider the time frame of each report. Remember that Etsy ads may take some time to fully update. For a deeper analysis, review the specific listings that received ad clicks. Click on the Listings tab on the left sidebar of your Etsy ads dashboard. Select your ad listings to see their individual performance metrics. Make sure to check the conversion rates on your promoted listings. If everything looks consistent, your reporting is likely accurate. If you still notice significant discrepancies, reach out to Etsy support for assistance. This will help ensure that your ads are running as efficiently as possible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.